Now modeling perfect curls and seductive waves is easier and faster with Rolling, the professional line of upgrade irons. Thanks to their 360-degree rotating rod. Thanks to it, you can roll the lock only with the thumb and forefinger of a hand. Professional styling times are reduced and the curls last a long time.
Take a step to me, you will feel the music makes it burn, and you don't want return. You will never want to be out here.
The upper gripper also makes it easier to hold hair that does not slip and can be simply curled over the entire length.
Come to join us, come to move with us.
Rolling stylers are available in 4 different diameters of 16, 19, 22 and 28 millimeters. This way you can create the style you want, from the most well-defined version to looser waves. The digital display positioned on the handle simplifies the temperature display. Rolling irons are ready to use in just a few seconds. With the titanium rod and the MCH ceramic double resistance, the ideal temperature is reached quickly and kept constant and uniform across the whole rod for all kinds of styling. At the top part, when the red stripe of thermolabile Teflon becomes white, it indicates that the selected temperature has been reached and that the iron is ready for styling. High-performance tools, minimal design, non-slip soft-touch finish to increase comfort during styling. With the rolling irons, achieve curls in record time.